Welcome everybody, welcome to my channel again. For today's video I want to show you guys how to check for timing chain stretch on an Audi Q5 2013. For my car, this one has 91,000 miles and I'm having many misfires. I first thought it was going to be the PCV valve, which I replaced, and I didn't change anything. I do have a misfire on coil 3 and coil 4 mainly. That's what my scanner reads, but on live data I see that all the coils have a misfire. I just want to say that the coils are new and the spark plugs are new as well. So I want to see if I have some timing stretch with my scanner. So I'm going to show you now. I have this scanner. It's an Autel 808 Bluetooth. This one it's really nice because it gives you many advanced options. So let's see. I want to show you guys here. I'm gonna go to history because I already scanned this before, and then we're gonna use the option, the live option. Let's see if you guys can see too much glare here. Let's see, diagnosis. We're gonna go to auto scan. Alright, I'm gonna have to hook up the OBD scanner. Alright, I guess the Bluetooth wasn't connected on this, so let's try again. And then I'm gonna go to the option live data. Diagnosis. Auto scan. It's showing us that we have 5 faults. So that's the one I want to check. I'm gonna check for trouble codes before anything, and yes, we have a misfire on 3, on 4. I do want to check, I do want to do a compression test on those cylinders to make sure it's not the valves that are leaking. Could be, but also I do want to check the timing on this car. So it's not gonna be the timing adjustment, okay? Although it's on 20. Timing adjustment, that's not the one that we want to see. We want to see camshaft. Let's see, where is camshaft adaptation inlet counter. Let's see. Alright guys, so if you scroll down to, it's gonna be this one, camshaft adaptation intake bank 1 phase position. So this is not right. If you guys, according to Volkswagen specs and Audi specs, if you have anything more than 5 degrees, so above 5 or below -5, you have stretch on the timing chain. Okay, so that's telling me if we had 4 or 3 we'll be on the safe zone, but we're 5.27, so that means the timing chain is stretched out. Okay, let's see what else we see. So yeah guys, for this car it will need a new timing chain, and that's gonna be kind of a big job. It's not too bad, there's a lot of space to work with on this front of this car, and it's gonna be one of my next projects. So make sure you guys give me a like on this video. Please comment if you had the same issue, and if you guys want to share your experience with this car, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, this is how you check the timing belt, the timing chain stretch, and see you on the next video.